In this video, we will show you how to assemble your Greenworks 60-volt, 3,000 pounds per square inch pressure washer. Your pressure washer may look different than the model used in this video. All information provided still applies. Warning: this video is not a substitute for reading the operator manual. For more detailed instructions and safety warnings, consult the operator manual provided. Let's get started. Tools required. You will require a Phillips head screwdriver to assemble this pressure washer. Step 1. Unpacking. We recommend moving the box with a second person to prevent accidental injury or damage to the product. Cut the tape and open the box. Remove the manual along with any loose, unassembled parts and set aside for later. Carefully lift the pressure washer out of the box and set it down. Inspect the unit and its parts to confirm that no damage has occurred. Keep the box in packing material until you have operated the product. Step 2. Batteries and charger. If you purchased a complete kit, your unit came with 2 batteries and a dual charger. These items can now be unpacked. Please be advised that batteries are not shipped fully charged. It is recommended to fully charge each battery before use to ensure that the maximum runtime can be achieved. Step 3. Installing the upper handle. Align the holes on the upper handle with the holes on the lower handle and push down until secure. Insert the handle bolts, then secure them using the handle knobs. Step 4. Installing the upper panel. Align the screw holes on the front panel with the holes on the upper handle. Only secure the left side of the upper panel to start. Insert your screws and tighten using a Phillips head screwdriver. Step 5. Installing the spray gun holder. To attach the spray gun holder, line up the screw holes with the holes on the left side of the upper handle. Insert the screws and secure it with a Phillips head screwdriver. You can now slide the spray gun onto the spray gun holder. Step 6. Spray tips. Your pressure washer comes with different spray tips for different jobs. The black soap tip is used to apply detergent at low pressure. The 15-degree yellow tip provides a concentrated, high-impact spray, ideal for heavy-duty cleaning on hard surfaces like concrete, brick, and masonry. The 25-degree green tip is great for general cleaning with strong pressure without damaging most surfaces. The 40-degree white tip produces a wide, gentle spray, perfect for vehicles and other delicate surfaces. The turbo nozzle spins in a tight pattern to blast away stubborn dirt and grime. Step 7. Installing the hose hook. Behind the upper panel, push the hose hook ends into the clips until they're firmly in place. Step 8. Installing the spray wand. Push the end of the wand into the trigger handle and twist the coupler clockwise until it locks. Check for any leaks before use. Step 9. Installing the high-pressure hose. The high-pressure hose can be stored on the back of the upper panel. To install the hose, push one end into the outlet coupler of the pressure washer and turn clockwise until it's firmly secured. Then attach the other end to the inlet coupler of the gun and tighten it securely by turning clockwise. Step 10. Connecting the water supply. You can use either a standard garden hose or the siphon hose provided. When using the siphon hose, you'll also need to install the priming valve onto the pressure washer's outlet. Rotate it clockwise until secure. Then attach the high-pressure hose and connect the spray gun. Place the siphon hose into the inlet coupler and submerge the opposite end, fitted with a filter, into a water source, such as a bucket, pool, or lake. keeping the hose at a low vertical height for best performance. Ensure all connections are firmly in place before use. Step 11. Installing and removing the batteries. This pressure washer has 2 battery slots, but will run on just a single battery. To install the battery, open the battery door and slide each battery into its compartment, aligning the ribs with the grooves. Push the batteries in until they click securely into place, then close the door. To remove the batteries, open the compartment, press the release latches, and slide the batteries out. Step 12. Connecting the spray tip. Pull back the Quick Connect collar on the wand, insert your selected spray tip, then release the collar to secure it. Step 13. Starting and stopping the unit. To start the machine, first ensure the water supply is connected and turned on. You can now press the power button down. Pull the spray gun trigger to begin operation. To stop the machine, simply release the trigger and repress the power button. Step 14. Adding detergent. To add detergent, set the pressure washer soap's fine into a bucket. Fill the bucket with your chosen pressure washer safe detergent and water following the detergent's recommended mixture. For proper application, detergent can only be dispensed when using the black soap nozzle. Need additional help? For videos on how to charge your batteries and operate your product, proceed to our YouTube page. Properly maintained, your Greenworks tools will provide you with years of great service. If you have any difficulties or need replacement parts, contact us at greenworkstools.com.